Today we're here at CargoGlide to demonstrate the installation of a 1500XL. First off, you will receive your unit on a pallet, fully boxed. You're going to simply need a box cutter just to cut your bands loose from your unit to open it up. You will receive the unit completely framed to prevent any type of damage in shipping. Remove your frame. This stuff can just be disposed of. Once you've unboxed your unit, it may be a good idea to use a cardboard that comes with your unit to place on the bed of your truck to prevent any type of scratching on the bed of your truck. Just simply use your box cutter, and you may want to cut off the excess flaps of the box so that it fits a little better. Cut off the excess flap around the entire box. Once you've cut off the excess fold on your cardboard, it should be exact size for your unit to sit on. Prevent any scratching on the bed of your truck. Most likely you're going to need assistance as far as installing a 1500XL or a 2000XL unit. They exceed in weight. First thing you'll need is probably an impact drill with a 1/2-inch drive. Check for the lag bolts that are bolting the unit to the pallet and remove those. That'll be the first step. For demonstration purposes, we've removed the deck from this 1500XL unit to explain further how your unit actually works. Just to explain how this unit works, if you hold your handle to the open position, it'll roll open with fairly good ease, 100% extension. Like that. If you hold the handle back, it'll reclose. Step one, you're going to want to remove your top and your mid frame from the bottom frame of the unit. Your handle, slide your top frame back. There is a set of flappers that will stop the unit from pulling all the way out, so you will need to flip those flappers up in order to remove the top frame. Maybe a good idea to have a set of sawhorses off to the side to place your frames upon. To remove the mid-frame, you also have a set of flappers that will prevent the mid-frame from moving out unless you flip those flappers up. Second step, you may want to check the level of your tailgate compared to the bed of your truck. If in the event your tailgate is higher than the bed of your truck, you may need a spacer kit to install your unit. You're going to place your bottom frame into the bed of your pickup truck. Use the cardboard to prevent scratching. Once your bottom frame is placed in the bed of your truck, you want to give yourself a 1/2-inch measurement from the cabin of the truck to the frame. You also want to find the center of your frame position by getting exact measurements from the side of your bed to the side of your bottom frame. Your unit will come with 2 separate mounting positions. you may want to find the position that rests upon the ridge of the bed. This should be on a ridge. There's an indent here, and that should be sitting right on the ridge. I need to just check everything again before I drill any holes. Step 3, you want to mark your positions with your hole with a 1/2 inch drill. Just marking for now would be good enough. You may want to continuously check your measurements. Before proceeding with all your drilling. Once you've found your desired position of your bottom frame, you're going to want to remove the bottom frame again in order to install your plus nuts, which will be provided in the installation kit. Okay. Strap the entire frame. When you receive your CargoGlide, you will also receive an installation instructions and an installation kit. Your installation kit should consist of enough tap bolts, plus nuts, washers, and also an installation tool. Along with it, an extra 2-inch tap bolt, which is used with the installation tool. Once you've found your position and you've marked your holes, you're going to want to go back. Once you remove the bottom frame, you're going to want to fully drill your holes with a 1/2 inch drill bit. Once you've found all your positions and you have your holes drilled, just place the plus nut into the hole. In order to sink your plus nuts, you're going to need the 2-inch tap bolt, the tool provided, a crescent wrench, a 1/2 inch drive, Be sure that your plus nut is sank completely in mushroom on the bottom side of the bed of your pickup truck. You should be able to feel it. Should be able to feel it by the tension. On this particular model, because of the placement of the hole for installation is in this position, we will need some extra washers in order to space the unit from the bed of the truck. On this particular model, we've placed 2 extra washers separating the frame and the bed of the truck because of where the ridge line has ended on the bed of this pickup. You may want to check again for center position before tightening the unit, fully tightening the unit back down. Once you've completed the installation of your bottom frame, it's simple enough to just replace the mid frame and the top frame back into the truck.